You want to give your Jeep an aggressive, tactical look while improving visibility both on-road and off? Well, today we're checking out the Combat Offroad Tail Gunner taillights. Now these aren't just for looks. They're tough, they're packed with features, and they're an easy upgrade that you can do right in your own driveway. Now, here's what makes these stand out. First off is that rugged, military-inspired design. They bring a bold, tactical look to your Jeep. But as we know, looks aren't everything. And Combat Offroad backs up the looks with LED lights. And these lights offer improved visibility. They have bright running lights, bright brake lights, bright turn signals, and bright backup lights. And they are tough. Now the main housing, this is stamped mil-spec 5052 aluminum. And the lights, they're a seal beam type light. They have a polycarbonate lens, which means they're impact resistant, and they're sealed against dust and moisture. Now these lights come from the big truck and industrial market, so they're designed for long life. And if you do need to replace one of these lights, well, they're easy to find. Now when it comes to wiring these lights, this is a true plug-and-play installation. There's no snips, no clips, no taps, no wiring headaches. They plug right into your factory harness, and with these two side lights and that 6-inch rear oval, they do meet all SAE and DOT specifications for on-road use. Now, one of the best things about these lights is how easy they are to install. Now we don't have the factory taillights anymore, but the installation's just the same. We have two screws. They have an 8mm head, so we can just spin those right out. Then we're gonna grab the taillight and just give it a wiggle, and they'll pop right out. Now on the plug, you've got your little red lock. I'm gonna slide that. And then we need to depress right there. Give it a good wiggle, and out it comes. So this is where we ran into a problem. Now we don't have the factory lights anymore. We replaced them about a year ago or so. And Combat Offroad wants you to reuse the factory ball studs. And those ball studs would be right here where this alignment pin is. So we're kind of stuck, although these alignment pins give me an idea. So now we just push that plug up into place and then slide the lock in. Then it's time to put your factory screws back in and tighten them up. Now we do have to warn you, there are no provisions for the blind spot monitoring sensors. So if your Jeep is so equipped, well, the sensors don't go into these lights, so you can't use them, which means that's not gonna work. You can still install these lights, but you'll need to go into your Taser under the other submenu and then turn the blind spot monitoring off. So what do you think? Does the Combat Offroad Tail Gunner taillights deliver a killer combination of style, durability, and functionality? Well, let us know what you think down in that comment section below. If you're ready to upgrade your Jeep's lighting game, well, check out the link in the description box below to get a set on its way to you. Then hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I gotta thank you for watching today. We'll see you again soon.